Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will read the reader House for Sale. Wow, look at the title, look at the cover page. Can you see something? Can you tell me something about this cover page? There's a dog. There are two boys. One is holding a teddy bear. There's a girl. And who else? A woman with blonde hair and a man with brown hair. And there is a slogan. There is a signboard. Can you see something? What is written on this? Try it. Sold. Sold. House for sale. Sale. House for sale. Before reading the reader, I will tell you something about the characters of the story. Who are they? Mom, Dad. Who are they? Mom, Dad. Here are Kipper, Biff, and Chip's parents. They are called Mom and Dad. Who is she? This is Biff. Her real name is Barbara. She is Chip's twin and Kipper's sister. So she is the sister of Kipper. Who is he? This is Chip. His real name is David. He is Biff's twin and Kipper's big brother. So he is the big brother of Kipper. This is Kipper. His real name is Christopher, but when he was younger, he couldn't say Christopher, so he called himself Kipper. And what Kipper is holding in hand? Teddy bear, right? So again we will repeat. This is Kipper's elder brother. His name is Chip. She is Biff. She is sister of Kipper and Chip. They are mom and dad, right? And who else we can see in the story? This is Kipper. Wow, this is Floppy. He's the Robinson family dog. Look at the big dog. So big. Its name is Floppy. Its name is Floppy. So, why Floppy's tongue is outside? Its tongue is long and it is outside the mouth, a big tongue. So this is Floppy. So children, enjoy the reading with your parents. We will tell you in the next video about the story. Bye bye.